Hello everyone, I am Nita Malchandra Dave, student from Dressing Training Consistency of Dhankodu. Today I will share video on non-technical stories. The story is the story of Tenali Raman, Reward and Punishment. Let's start the story. Once upon a time, in the kingdom of Vijayanagar, there lived a wise and witty court jester named Tenali Ram. His sharp intelligence and clever wit often got him into situation where he had to use his wisdom to outsmart others. One day, the king called him to solve a problem regarding reward and punishment. The problem: the king had a problem with his officers and the way they are administered reward and punishment. Some of them were too harsh, while others were too lenient. The king wanted to find a way to balance reward and punishment so that the people of his kingdom would be encouraged to avoid and stay honest. Once a day, the Weasley told them, "You see, reward and punish are both a way of teaching us lesson. If you work hard, you will be rewarded. If you do not, you will face consequences. This is the balance that the kingdom needs." The king, impressed with Tenali Ram approach, decided to adopt it. He made sure that his officers understand the reward should be given to those who worked diligently, while punishment should serve as a lesson for those who did wrong or do this wrong. Mm, the king had problems of officers and the king had problems and officers. The Tenali Ram threw out the movement and then come up with a pen. He told the king, "Your Majesty, I have an idea, but I need a few volunteers to carry out small test." The king agreed and called upon a few of them kingdoms, workers, and officials to participate in the experiment. First, he gathered a group of workers and gave each one a piece of bread. He told them, "If you perform, you will get more food tomorrow. But if I fail, you will be punished." The workers eagerly took the bread and worked hard to prove their worth. The next day, Tenali Ram returns to this position, and today I will reward those who. The king, impressed with Tenali Ram's approach, decided to adopt it. He made sure that his officers understood that reward should be given to those who work diligently, while punishment should serve as a lesson for those who did wrong. The moral of the story: the story teach us the reward and punishment should be fair and become bright to the reward, and mistake should be given. This is the story of Tenali Raman's punishments and rewards. Thank you so much.